Okay, y'all, Average Andy. What I've got here is this floor jack. What happened is I want to replace this ring in here, O-ring on some of them. This doesn't have an O-ring. And what I'm going to have to do is improvise. Okay, I've taken this thing apart and this is what we got. There's no black O-ring down in there. What this thing had is a ring that goes around the tip of this thing here, the tip of this shaft. I'm not going to go through all the thing about how I got it apart, but I used a hammer and this wrench here to get it off of there. Had unhooked these hinges here, whatever it goes to it. Got little C-clips on it. But anyway, that's what it looks like down inside of there. And here's my O-ring that came off of here, off of the tip of here. It goes around here. Goes right around that tip there. It's all dried out. When I pull it out, it just crumbled right off. So it goes into a circle and it fits on here. But that's what's left of it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this Kapton tape here. You use that you wrap pipes with to keep your pipes from leaking. Some of you guys may know what that is. Some of you may not. But this stuff you can get at any hardware store. Lowe's has it, I know for sure. And Home Depot, different places like that, they have this stuff. You can find it any, but anyway, it's called Kapton tape, I think it's what it's called. But anyway, you wrap this around your threads of your pipe. So I'm going to improvise. I'm going to try to wrap this around here and build it up around there. And then when I set it back down inside of here, that goes down inside of there and fits down in there, and then it seals down inside of here. What it was doing, it was pumping oil back up out of the top of here. Or when I go to pump it up, oil was just coming back up from around the top in here. It's just seeping all down around the bottom of my jacket. You see where it's been leaking and everything. So and it won't hold pressure. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to find this thing. This jack is over 20 years old. And that kind of an O-ring, I don't even know if I can find it anymore. So but in the meantime, I'm just going to improvise and see what I can do with wrapping this tape around it. And hope it works. I don't know if it's going to work. But like I say, this is Average Andy. And Average Andy would try anything. Don't confuse me with Average Joe. I'm Average Andy, okay? What Average Andy's going to do, Average Andy's going to run around trying to buy a brand new jack without trying to fix this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wrap this in real good, see if I can build it up around there. Then I'm going to screw it back in. One thing about this tape, you have to wrap it in the direction that you're going to be screwing. But since this is not going to get screwed, it's just going to slide in, you really can wrap it either kind of way. But I like to wrap it maybe counterclockwise. So I'm going to wrap it this way. Other way, it doesn't really matter. But I'm going to wrap it and I'm going to build it all the way up to where it's about the same thickness at this ring here. Then I'm going to put it back down there and see what we got. So, but anyway, like I say, just trying to give you some pointers there on how to be an Average Andy, and make things work when you don't want to spend the money. Okay, thanks for watching.